Hello, my name is Cole Quattrone, and today we're going to be talking about climate change. It's one of the biggest upcoming debates that has been going around for about 10 years, and since I'm a biology major, I've had a lot of talk about this in my undergrad, and we will continue on to explain what it is about. So, first things first, a little bit about me. I got my undergrad in biology from Penn State. Majority of the classes I've had, we've always talked about this. I even took one ecology class that was strictly about uh, climate change, and it was very interesting. It's really eye-opening to see what's really going on in the world that people are trying to cover up and say it's not. And since then, I am currently going for my MAT program at Cal U for teaching 7 through 12 science and looking to hopefully make a change in the world and help it become a cleaner place for us to live. So what climate change actually is it's changing the weather from fossil fuels. Fossil fuels are released from cars, power plants like seen in this picture, and they go up into the air and it causes an increase in carbon dioxide. With this increase, it breaks down the atmosphere, keeping the sun out, and it causes crazy weather basically. So like all the rain we've been having over this year, and it's all caused from that. One major thing that's going to happen is with it keep on it keep heating up. The oceans will start getting warmer and warmer, and this will cause hurricanes to be even stronger and stronger and stronger until there's a point that it's just total destruction. And if we don't change this soon, we may be losing cities on the coast, and that's not a good thing. A good thing is, though, that we actually can stop this from happening, or I guess not completely stop it, but we can kind of slow down the effects of it happening. A couple things are switching over from regular fuels, so going more towards the alternative fuel way, which is electronic power, solar power, even stop using hairspray. I mean, as crazy as that sounds, that's causing carbon dioxide to go in the air and break down the atmosphere, like I said. And it seems simple enough, but whenever millions of people use that, it's uh, causing more harm. And another thing is, don't use as much paper as we've been using, because with us using paper, it is making us cut down trees. So we have to go more in a technology uh, way of life now. So the good thing about this class is it's teaching us how to use technology in classes. So instead of using paper how we normally did, we can use technology to write our tests, give PowerPoints like I'm currently doing here, um, even have videos on there that kids can watch of me talking. It's a simpler way, and it is really helpful and should definitely help slow down the uh, process of climate change. As mentioned before, if we don't do anything, it's going to cause an increase in rain. There's going to be flooding, like I've seen in this picture here. Uh, Heat will start to increase as we've been enduring during this summer. And one major thing that people don't really think about is we're going to start having less food because with it going hotter and hotter and hotter, places that are growing crops aren't going to be able to grow these crops, and we're not going to have enough food. And another thing that happens is animals that we even eat need those crops too to survive. So if they don't have crops to eat, then we don't have animals to eat and survive either. So it's the circle of life, and it keeps on going around and around and around. So it might be affecting the smallest thing by affecting crops and stuff and smaller things like that. It even affects fish. So if you're a big fish eater, it'll affect that too. But it goes around in a circle and it affects the whole entire universe. And then in conclusion, we have to know that it is happening. Many people are saying, "Oh, it's just a myth. It's not really happening," but there is scientific evidence that it is happening. I mean, you can even go outside and tell that it's happening. And the one thing that we have to do is younger students are the key to helping prevent this. If we can educate them more, help them know how to prevent this, what not to do. They're the key to fixing all this and hopefully slowing it down so that we could live a longer life here on Earth. Because if we continue the way that we're doing, there's not going to be much left on Earth. Thank you very much. I hope you all enjoyed.